In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus in Wix Studio. Navigation menus are crucial for any website, helping visitors effortlessly explore your content and find exactly what they're looking for. In this guide, we will walk you through selecting your site, adding a new menu, and making those personal touches to truly make it your own. Let's get started by heading to your Wix Studio dashboard. Once you're there, choose the site you want to work on from your list. This is usually done by clicking on your site name or the appropriate tile in your dashboard that represents your current project. It's important to make sure you're on the right site so that all these adjustments are made exactly where you want them. With your site selected, look towards the left side of your screen for the Add icon. This icon is typically represented by a plus sign. Clicking this will expand a range of options, offering various elements you can add to your page. Navigating this section is easy, and you'll find what you need in no time. Next, you'll be looking for the Menu and Anchor section. This is typically located under the Site Elements category, so scroll through until you find it. Clicking on this category will present you with a variety of menu templates to choose from. Wix Studio provides a vast array of styles, so take some time to browse these options and find a menu template that fits the look and feel you envision for your site. After you've chosen your desired menu template, it's time to add it to your page. This is where you'll employ the simple drag and drop feature. Click on your selected template, hold and drag it to the desired location on your page. Drop it where you want it to live. This easy functionality allows you to place your menu precisely where it will serve your visitors best, whether that's at the top of the page, on the side, or perhaps in a footer. Once your menu is in place, the exciting part begins. Customization. Wix Studio gives you a suite of customization options, allowing you to tailor the menu to fit your site's branding and functionality needs. You can adjust colors, fonts, and styles to match your overall website design. You can also tweak the menu items, adding or removing items as necessary, to ensure your visitors can navigate your site with ease. Feel free to play around with these settings until the menu looks just right to you. That wraps up our tutorial on adding and customizing navigation menus in Wix Studio. With these steps, your website should not only look more polished, but offer a seamless navigation experience to your visitors. Remember, an intuitive menu is key to keeping your visitors engaged and exploring your site. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!